Hey guys, you hear me talk a lot about call to action. One thing I want to add to call to action is that it's part B to call to action. You need to have some kind of urgency. You can't just say, hey, buy this, buy that, right? There has to be some degree of urgency with call to actions. Now, let me tell you how you could build urgency. Now, when you make your proposition, let your customers know that this offer is a limited time only offer, and don't make things up. Make it genuine, that limited time offer. Scarcity, let them know how many units you have left. If you got the last few units remaining, tell them that this is the last few units, and that's it. If they don't get their hands on it now, they'll never be able to get their hands on it, right? Simple as that. Phone today. Do you understand that this offer is only valid for today? Phone today, call now. Claim a free gift. If you buy this today, you're going to get a free gift. There's no more way to incentivize your customers to build urgency. So part B to call to action is building urgency, guys. Okay?